down the shed. In this video we have got a Poundland £1, yes, £1 solar garden light. So the same outfit, we'll just cover the panel. Now it looks pretty good in the video, but that's actually pretty crap light. There we go. Looks pretty good there, but it is pretty crap. So let's see what that LED looks like when we change it, and I'll bring the other one in for comparison. So I'm just going to slip this lens off. That just pops out. So we will take this off and switch it off. There we go. So really all we need to do is desolder that, marking the positive and the negative. I can pop that cap off quite easily because I dropped one the other day, which is how I know how it comes apart so quickly. So one moment. Right, that LED is only being held in by virtue of the fact the wires, all the leads are bent. So now we've got a floppy LED. Don't want to hear that too often. I'll switch the iron on, I'll get that warm, we'll desolder it, pop the new one in, and we'll see how it goes. In fact, no, we've got a choice of three. We have the clear 5mm LED, we have this milky white LED, and out of one of these torch kits that I did another one which was standard. I've got another one where I butchered the case but did a good job of it, and I actually had the LED just poking out like that. I gave that one to the missus for her own bag. But I will butcher this one for the other light if this one turns out really good, but this is going to be pretty cracking in there. So that's it on a, that's going to put out tons of light compared to this. We'll have another look at this. Can't switch it on. So that's how much light that puts out. But hang on, let's turn this light out. So that's how much light this is putting out compared to, I need that for a minute. Okay, so you can see it on the desk there. This is the other LED, the jumbo. So that's really going to kick out some light in the path when I leave the shed at nights to go home. Watch your eyes, light's coming back. So yeah, that's going to be the choice for the LED. So let's get this one sorted. That needs to go back in there to give me the length over here. This should simply just desolder up. There we go. Pop straight off. Nicely, nicely. So we'll pop that LED out. Now I did mark this with plus and minus, so we'll put this back in accordingly. So the top will be plus, the bottom will be minus. Well, this is going to be awesome. I'll bend these over, hold that in. As per original, so sorry, you're off shot then. So I bent these legs over, pushed them down tight. We know which is which because we marked the board, so we'll solder this all back in. Just re-tin these leads nicely. Tin these leads a little bit. Snips virginal outing. Oh. good show snips. Right, that was negative, so let's get that back on. Let's see if we can do it like this. One on. That doesn't tinge very well. Just give that positive a bit more. Bit more something to bite on. Right, now that should work. So we'll just pop that back there a minute. There we have it. I mean, it's not as bright because the battery's dull, but when that's had a decent day's charge in the garden, that'll come up nicely. So that's pretty successful, I think. We'll get the other one in a moment and do a comparison. And let's turn the light off. So yeah, it's not bad. Right, well that's what the old one looks like, basically, and the new one, the jumbo LED, looks like that. So there's definitely a decent comparison between the two. So I'll get the other one done and charge them up, and we'll just, that'll be it really. I was going to say I'll put a bit on the video, but I'll just leave it as that. So yeah, just a Poundland pound light, a kit that cost me like £1, and I'll change the LED out. That was one that I changed to the 3mm UV. I've got some 5mm coming, so I'm going to change this one out for the 5mm UV LED when that turns up, hopefully tomorrow actually. Maybe not, maybe something else turning up. But yeah, so like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Leave any comments below, unless they're porn, and then don't bother. And see you in the next vid. Just a quick video update. They've had all day to charge, so I think that's the old one, and that's the new one. As you can see, it's putting out a lot more light. In fact, I'll just come back out from that. So that's putting out a lot more light than that one. So I'd say that was a bit of a success. See if I can get the two in. I'll turn the camera that way. There you go, you can see the difference just about. So that's it.